Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 RTX. First, confirm your computer meets the necessary specifications, especially regarding your graphics card. Next, you will need to acquire the Half-Life 2 RTX mod. This is typically available through a dedicated platform or community project. Make sure you already own the base game, Half-Life 2, on Steam, as the mod requires it to function correctly. Installation usually involves placing the mod files into the game's directory. To truly experience Half-Life 2 with ray tracing, a robust system is key. You will definitely need an NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics card, ideally a 3000 series or newer, to handle the demanding visual effects. An Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 processor, or better, will prevent bottlenecks. Furthermore, 16 GB of system memory is highly recommended to ensure the game runs smoothly without hitches, providing a seamless experience. Once you are in the game, navigate to the Graphics Settings menu. Here, you will find specific options for ray tracing, allowing you to fine-tune the visual experience. Consider enabling NVIDIA DLSS technology if your card supports it, as this can significantly boost frame rates while maintaining image quality. Adjusting resolution and individual quality settings for shadows and reflections will help you find the perfect balance for your specific hardware. With everything set up, prepare to revisit City 17 and beyond like never before. The ray-traced lighting transforms every scene, adding incredible depth and realism to the iconic environments. You will notice dynamic reflections on surfaces and incredibly accurate shadows that react to light sources. The updated textures and enhanced graphical details truly bring this beloved classic into a new era, offering a visually breathtaking and immersive journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.